Hello, welcome to 1 Minute with Chelsea. Gorgeous, in this channel, I'm into beauty and lifestyle. I do so many hair reviews, I do makeup, I do hair tutorials, and so on and so forth.
Say something I don't know.
Guys, before we continue with the video, I want to share with you guys this gorgeous watch from Filippo Lariti. Is an Italian-made, Italian designer watch. They deal on wristwatches for women, both jewelries, accessories, and all that, even for men. The watch is so affordable, and as Valentine is at the corner, they have promotion in their website. You can check their website. The watch has 10 years warranty guarantee. The watch is high brand, is of quality. So if you're interested to give this to someone, to your girlfriend, to your wife, to a sister, to your mom, you can grab this watch. I'm going to leave the link to the watch to their website, Filippo Lariti. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. It's an Italian made. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box so you can check that out. Like I said, they are doing promotion as Valentine is at the corner. So why not just gift somebody with this watch? If it's your husband, your guy, they have the ones for men. So whichever person you want to buy for, head to the description box. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. So that is it. Let's move on with the video.
What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now.
So this year I said to myself, and why not have a 1 minute with you guys so that you guys will get to know me the more. In my videos, I don't talk much about myself. I don't share much as I want to share. 1 minute with Chelsea, I will be discussing on different topic like relationship, YouTube, life experience, single ladies, single guys. I'm going to be talking of so many things in this a minute with Chelsea, and it's not going to take long. It's just 1 minute. I'm just going to emphasize on what I want to discuss with you guys on this 1 minute show. Today's topic is procrastination. What is the meaning of procrastination? Procrastination to me is you having the mind to do something, but the spirit is willing, but the body is weak. That is procrastination to me. My own definition of procrastination. You procrastinate. I will want to do this. I want to do this. I will do it tomorrow. I will do it next tomorrow. I will do it day before tomorrow. I will do it next year. Why all this procrastination? Why do you procrastinate? Why not do it now? You find out that the time you are thinking of how am I going to start? How am I going to start this business? How am I going to start this job? How am I going to start this YouTube channel? You are losing more time. Why not start now? There is no need for procrastination. There is no need for delay. There is no need for you to wait. You must start now. In 1 minute with Chelsea is whereby I will be encouraging people in so many areas of your life, in so many things that you need to do. So we're going to be discussing so many things. So you'll be expecting so many things from me. Every once in a week, I will bring out different topic. I talk to you guys will be talking to me. You don't need to delay. You need to start now. Now is the time for you to start. I will give you an example. When I wanted to start YouTube, I was like, tomorrow I will do it. Next tomorrow I will do it. Today I will do it. I will. Till somebody told me, my friend said, why not do it now? Pick your camera, pick your phone and do it now. I started there. Today, I am so happy. I want you to be happy. I hope you guys like this idea of 1 minute with Chelsea. If you do, click on that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button. So I will see you guys next week in 1 minute with Chelsea. All right, bye guys. Say bye-bye to procrastination. Say bye-bye to delay. In everything you want to do, you don't need to delay. Do it now. Start it now. Bye.